Demystifying words, mastering base words through the dictionary. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another exciting video in our series, where we help you unlock the secrets of the English language. Today, we're taking a journey into the realm of prefixes, suffixes, and the base words they're attached to. And what's our most trusted tool for this adventure? You guessed it, the dictionary. Before we dive into our dictionary consultations, let's get a quick refresher on what a base word is. In English, base words are words from which many other words are formed. They form the base, or root, upon which prefixes, beginning parts, and suffixes, ending parts, are added to create new words. For example, consider the base word, comfort. By adding different prefixes and suffixes, we can derive words like uncomfortable, comforting, or discomfort. You might wonder, why do I need a dictionary to identify base words? Well, the dictionary is more than just a resource for definitions. It can be a powerful tool for understanding the structure of words, and therefore, the English language. Dictionaries reveal the origin, meaning, and even how the word has changed over time, making it an ideal tool for our base word exploration. Identifying base words in the dictionary is actually simpler than you might think. 1. Start by looking up the word you're curious about. This might be a complex word you've encountered in a book or a new word you've heard in conversation. 2. Once you've found your word, read its definition. The definition often breaks down the word into understandable components. 3. Now, look for hints about the base word. This could be included in the definition, or sometimes, dictionaries will have a specific section showing the word's origin. 4. If you can't find the base word or if the word is too complex, try removing any prefixes or suffixes you recognize and look up the remaining word. Let's take a look at an example. Consider the word incomprehensible. If you look it up in a dictionary, you'll see that it's made up of the prefix in, the base word comprehend, and the suffix able. The dictionary will explain that in means not, comprehend means to understand, and able is used to form adjectives. Put it all together, and incomprehensible means not able to be understood. By practicing this method with different words, you'll soon get the hang of identifying base words in the dictionary. And there you have it, language explorers. The dictionary is not just for finding meanings, but also a treasure chest of linguistic knowledge that helps you uncover the base words. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it will become to identify base words in the dictionary. Keep practicing and never stop exploring. See you in our next linguistic adventure.